On the third part of Snooker Break Building T lineup exercise, you will see some difficult real game positional shots with a side spin, and I will explain certain positional shots mistakes which are very common for the all level players. See you soon and take care.
I have just give me a closer. I'm gonna give you a closer look. Just nothing special. I just can simply roll in this red ball to the corner pocket, leave myself a little bit lower black ball spot, and play it down for the yellow ball. Little bit topspin, throw in shot. Perfect angle for the black ball. This time I will play with the topspin and leave myself to the yellow ball. Hubble angle, no sight. Just play and leave yourself for the yellow ball. So this time I played a little bit badly, so I need to use a rest. Maybe I played a little bit too much topspin. So, you know, every table is so different. So you have to understand that not all position shots are the same, especially when you're playing above or below cue ball center. So I'm just gonna play with the rest, use two cushion shots with a little bit left hand side. 1, 2 cushions and position for the green ball there. Okay, so nice and smooth as normal shot, slow backswing and delivery. Okay, maybe I played a little bit too high to the cue ball, because if I play a little bit below, so the cue ball were here. So, but doesn't matter, I potted the ball, I have a green ball, and here I have to think about how to play it. So there is two-way positional shot. I can play one cushion shot and make position for the brown ball, which is more risky, or I can play it with more pace, use 2 cushions, a little bit left hand side, and leave myself nice and easy for the brown ball. So I prefer to play 2 cushion shot because, yeah, I feel more confident and positive in this shot. So nice and easy. Perfect shot for the brown ball. Yeah, it's a little bit off the straight line. So this time I have such an angle for the blue ball. Blue ball is not on the spot, so this is not how to say standard situation in snooker, but still blue ball goes nice and easy to the center pocket or the corner pocket. But I will play for the center pocket positional shot to the blue ball here. So this time I judged the pace badly. So my cue action wasn't so good at this time, but still I have a long blue to the corner pocket. So this time you know, because of the distance, I have to have a precise cueing. So I will play power stun shot. I leave myself cue ball around higher pink ball spot, so I could make an easy position for the black ball. So remember, when you're playing long shots, just stand behind the shot, do your shot approach, stay still, and hopefully you can have a straight cueing, deliver cue on the straight line, and clear all the rest colors. So this time I was perfect. And this, I have both. I have few ways to get position. I can play it stun shot, position for the black ball with one cushion. I can play a little screw back shot and play without cushion. So in this case, I like to play stun shot because I feel more confident, because the more you strike into the center cue ball, the more accuracy you have. Because as you can see to the cue ball is a little bit bigger around the center part, and it goes a little bit thinner on the upper part and lower part. So I'm just gonna play stun shot again, do my shot approach. Perfect position for the black, and that's it. This is the finishing line. I want just spot the black ball, don't think about position. So, but for educational purposes, I'm gonna make position 3 cushions, and I'm gonna leave myself cue ball around this area here. So just think about that the last black ball is not the last shot, to make sure that you not feel such a pressure. So I'm just gonna do my shot approach, put it below cue ball center, and win the match. Maybe I played a little bit too hard, but doesn't matter. I potted the black ball, I won the match. So here was an educational video where you saw stance, cueing, aiming, my snooker knowledge. I think this is will be one of the most beneficial videos for you, because I show you many sides of the snooker. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Until next time, see you folks.
If you enjoyed our video lesson, smash the like button, and if you are new, subscribe to our channel.